Hi everyone, I just want to share a quick video with you with the experience I had today with my computer. So this morning when I turn on my computer, nothing happens. Usually when your computer won't turn on, it could be as simple as loose cable connection, or it could be as bad as motherboard issue or power supply issue. But with this one, when I press the power button on this morning, nothing happens. No beeps, no fans turning on. So the first thing I did is to unplug this cable and plug it back in. And I know that there's power from my power strip because my other devices that is connected to it have power. So, and also when I look at the back of my computer, it has a green button. So that means it is receiving power. And what I noticed earlier is when I press the power button, the back of this computer, the light will turn off. And then after a couple of seconds, it will turn back on again. And then I try to press the power button again. This thing will turn off again. And about a couple of seconds, it will turn back on. I was thinking I might need to replace the power supply. I did an online search first and I saw a website that tells me to press and hold the power button for at least 10 seconds and that should reset whatever issue that you have. And I was like, oh, I do that when I force shut down the computer, but I've never really done it with force turning on the computer. So, well, anyway, I've given it a try before I start taking out parts from this computer. So I press it and hold it for 10 seconds. And when I did that, it turned on. So now when I press it now, it just turned on. See that? It has a on button. So, which is good. I've never really experienced this issue before, and I've never did this kind of fix before in a computer. But if you encountered any issue where your computer won't turn on, you may want to give that thing a try, and that might fix your problem. And I hope this helped you. Please make sure to click the like and subscribe button to help my channel. Thank you for watching.